What's up, guys? So I chopped the board down, made a mini board. This actually used to be a balance board, so it's got some foam on the bottom. We've got Gullwing trucks. They feel a little bit like Ace trucks. So yeah, let's see what we can do on it. Woods is gonna go first.
We'll see.
Oh God. Oh, backsmith, first try. Oh man. Yeah, how about you do a trick and I do a trick, but I can't. Okay. I'm not gonna be able to compete with that.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna do a shove it on the bank. Maybe. There's not a lot of nose there, about an inch of nose.
Yeah.
All right.
See if I can do a rock.
Oh man. I think we could drop into anything.
I'm not dropping in the mini on that thing.
Yeah, you know, that's not that bad. Yeah. Also, it's snowing right now, so we're doing all of this in the snow. I just got a snowflake in my eyeball on that clip on video. Yeah, it's really flat. Like the board, even before I cut it down, there was no concave. This was an Alf board from the 80s. It had Alf on the bottom.
Wait, so it wasn't even like made recently?
No, it was an 80s board. These actually, it did have like a tail guard and stuff.
Oh, I see. Alright, let's see if I can do it.
Yeah. Hey, you want to try a trick on this before I? Oh, look at this.
What is this camera?
We're so cute.
It's a GoPro Hero Max. It's a 360 camera.
This is actually
this
Michael.
on.
This is who I
Hi,
wanted you to
Michael.
meet. Actually.
Hey,
How are you?
nice to meet you.
So cute.
Oh man, you got to get one trick on this. This video is all one clip, so you
On
got to
this?
get a trick on this, yeah, before it's done. It's really hard though. It's really.
Oh my God, Michael!
Yeah. We dropped in and did rock to fakies and stuff. That's about it.
All right, let's get her a 50.
This is Vontre. Now it's got like foam on the bottom too, so yeah, you might have to do something on the trucks.
This is so fun.
Oh man. Yeah. Oh, this is hard. I like your Simpsons board too.
Hey.
Maybe do one trick on the Simpsons board.
I want to get something for you on this.
Oh, yo, you could probably get a three shot. Three shot. That was like a laser flip. I saw those laser. You were the one doing those laser flips at Kirk Levington.
Nah, that was Travis.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was good. I'm gonna get a clip of her too.
Yeah, go. You're fine.
I gotta get a clip of this too in the snow. This is too cool.
Okay.
All right. Oh. Yeah. That's cool. Oh, sorry.
Oh, no, you're good.
Do you do like roller derby or anything like that? Or
I do.
that's cool. Let's go back to Ventre. Oh, really? At UK?
No, I'm in Chicago.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. I'm glad to see you with the camera though.
Yeah.
We'll have to connect.
Yeah, cool.
Oh man.
Yeah. How much you pay for this?
Huh?
How much you pay for this board?
My homie gave it to me for free when he moved to Virginia because he didn't skate anymore.
I had one of the ones with Homer Simpson's face on it.
Oh,
a
where it
long
was like
time
the
ago.
cutout of him?
Yeah.
Yeah. I've been trying to skate this more and more. I don't know why.
Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes I see John Jennings come up here with just a penny board and skate the whole time.
Right, I've seen him.
Yeah.
I've been seeing him do shit.
Yeah. Well, it's good to see you again.
Oh yeah, always, Michael. You have a good day.
Thanks for being in the video. Hey, thanks for being in the video
yeah, I'm
again.
gonna head out.
All right, see ya. You're pretty good on that. Well, thanks for being in the video.
Yeah, for sure. It's scary because like when you put your hood back on, you don't think it's gonna like land on
Yeah, the front of it's really scary. I feel like I'm gonna sprain my ankle the whole time.
it. Yeah.
So I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.